Hey guys, welcome back to another What Sold on eBay video. Now I know I said this multiple times already, but thank you guys so much again for 10,000 subscribers. You guys have no idea how much that means to me personally, because I've been on this YouTube journey for so long, and to finally see some success in it means a lot to me. Also, it means a lot to my family and what we have planned moving forward. So thank you so much again. Let's get on with some sales. All right, so the first thing that sold today, actually the only thing that sold today, is this Bible. Now I don't know exactly how much it sold for because it's on my wife's profile, and like I mentioned in previous videos, any sales or any revenue that we get generated from the sale of Bibles is going to be donated. I don't feel good about profiting from the sale of Bibles, so we're just gonna donate it. So I have the listing on the screen. In terms of profit, I'm not too sure. I think we paid probably like $1 for this, so going to a new home soon. Another thing we had to do is we had a question about that lot of knives that we listed. So I'm just gonna count to see how many knives there are in this box, and I might as well take a couple more pictures as well, just to, you know, avoid some more questions. So this didn't sell yet, but we do have somebody who is watching it and is interested, so we'll definitely keep you posted. Hey guys, we're back in the hot and steamy eBay space. It is currently in the 80s, high 80s, and it's gonna be like that for the rest of the week. But we have a couple sales today, and I'm just gonna pick up all the items and we're gonna pack them inside. All right, so the first thing that sold is these cores. I can't really grab it with one hand, so forgive me. These cores glasses, and I have the listing on the screen. I have about $2 into each of these, so $10 altogether. We're selling this as a lot of 5. So gonna be grabbing some bubble wrap, and we're gonna package this inside. Next thing is we finally sold another one of those VHS rewinders. Now we've had this inventory for a decent while, if you guys remember, based off of previous videos. You see here, 3 of those in there, not the one I'm looking for. I do believe it's this one. Is this the Gemini? Yep. All right, so it is this one. We're gonna grab that, shove these back where they need to be. All right, so picked up all of these for like about $2 each. So at this point, just trying to recoup the money and just move along, because these aren't really fast movers. I mean, they move, but for very low prices, so I would not recommend picking those up. Last thing is we sold another pair of LuLaRoe leggings on my wife's profile, so let us grab it. It is the one with the cat, and that's this one. All right, so just got this sale a few minutes ago, actually. Sold it for, I do believe, I want to say $99, and they paid shipping, but obviously it's going to be on the screen, so gonna just slap this in a poly bag, and we're gonna get a box for this and some additional bubble wrap for this. So I will see you guys inside. All right, so before we get into packaging some eBay stuff, I just want to open a package that I received. So I bought this the other day just because I thought it could help my workflow. So let's see what it is. Okay, so as you can see, it's a normal utility knife at the very top. However, at the bottom, it has this extra little slot where it pushes out the cutting. See this little wheel? So you run it along the edges of where you're trying to make your cut, and it does really well. So I'm looking forward to giving this a try out on today's packing. So we're just gonna throw this in a poly bag. Very simple, easy to ship. Looking forward to just getting these LuLaRoe leggings out of the way so we could replace it with different inventory. All right, so next we're going to package this rewinder here. So I'm just gonna wrap this baby up a couple times. Duct tape going on. And just like that, we see that this rewinder isn't gonna be shifting around a lot in the box, so we're good to go. All right, so I previously had these wrapped up already in newspaper just to prep them for shipping. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line the bottom with this bubble wrap. As you can see at the very bottom, it's gonna be lined with bubble wrap, and I'm gonna stack these individual pieces on top. So let's keep going. All right, so what I did is I lined the 3 glasses in the bottom next to the bubble wrap that's protecting the bottom, and then I did a layer of newspaper in between the bottom row of glasses and then the top row of glasses. And I did newspaper lining up along the sides, and I'm just gonna protect the top by putting this in there, and we're just gonna be packing it tight. And just like that, we have everything that we need to package up today. So awesome day of sales. Like I said, just the 5 glasses that sold for $34.99, which I got for about $10, so about $20 profit there. And the VHS rewinder that sold for about $6.99, so I got that for $2, so around a $4 to $5 profit. And this that sold for $9.99, which I got for free, so straight $9 to $8 profit there after fees. So just gonna take these and get them weighed up here. So let's see here, the LuLaRoe pants. They're going for, ooh, we could ship these at 8 ounces, so that's gonna be pretty sweet. So 8 ounce first class shipping. And let's see about the VHS rewinder. It's gonna be at 3 pounds. So 3 pounds. All right, so 8 ounces, 3 pounds. And let's see, what about these little glasses here? So let's just slap this on top. Again, it's very annoying to do the bulkier packages just like that. So all right, so 4 pounds and 3 ounces. So we're gonna be shipping this out at 5 pounds. Very happy with today's sale, and let's get these to the post office. All right, another day, another sale. So I picked this pair of pants up at the bargain bin for about $1 and just sold it for 20. So nice little bill for you guys is Marmont. This is a pair of rain pants. I never thought that these would sell well, but evidently they flip pretty quick because I just got this, I think last week or earlier this week. So if you guys see these out there, be sure to grab them. All right, and we're back again in the eBay space, and it is not unbearably hot today. So we made another sale, and I also picked something up from a friend that knows I sell stuff on eBay. So she was able to help me out and give me some extra box packing material. So I'm gonna show you guys that. And also we're gonna show a quick clip at the very end of the video of me purchasing something at a garage sale. So let me show you guys the packing material. So as you can see, we have several garbage bags full of this packing paper basically. So biggest advice when starting out is just to tell people that you're trying to sell on eBay, and they'll provide you with packing material if they have it. Gonna be transporting all this stuff into that room. So I do believe the world heard me when I was talking about how the VHS rewinders weren't selling at all. The world decided it wanted to prove me wrong. So we sold another VCR rewinder. We sold this Solodex one, and again, not for a lot of profit. I think we had about $1 into this one, and we're just gonna package this up quick and get it going to the post office. Now at this point, I have it completely packaged up. The bubble mailer is just in the middle there, and we're just gonna tape up this box and get it going to its new home. So like I said, this is the end of this portion of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little clip of me picking something up at a garage sale. How much are these games here?
$1.
$1 each?
Or if you want to take both, you can just have both for $1.
Okay. Awesome. And do you have change at the moment? Awesome.
There you go.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
You too.
If you guys would like to support this channel for free, feel free to click on one of my Amazon affiliate links down below, and you could purchase anything on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking the link, and I'll get a little kickback at no cost to you. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.